Blooming Butterfly, a fun-filled, interactive and engaging series. Hi everyone! In the previous video, we learned the letter B. It's time to learn the letter C. The sound of C is K. C, K. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for carrot. Cat, car, carrot. Say it with me. Cat, car, carrot. Wow! Look at what we have here. The cat is carrying a carrot in the car. Can you point towards the car? That's great. Now point towards the cat, please. Do you know what sound the cat makes? Can you make the sound of the cat? I can't hear you. That was cute. Okay, now let's see where the carrot is. Can you point towards the carrot? Great. Now use your fingers to trace the car. You can do it. Trace the car with your finger. Amazing. Now draw the eyes and the mouth of the cat. Wow, that's so beautiful now. The cat is happy to see you. Now ask your teacher to give you a piece of blank paper and draw a carrot on it. Fill it with bright orange colors. That's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next video to learn the letter D. Until then, take care. Bye.